Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to understand Excel plus VBA roadmap. Okay, so my name is Akash, and I have total of 4 to 5 years of experience in Excel and VBA. Not only in Excel VBA, and there are a lot of technologies wherein I work and I have been working. Okay, so today we will be learning and we will be understanding what are the benefits, what are the advantages, and what all the things that we need to learn, okay, to make our career good in this particular field. So let's start. So first we will understand benefits of a career in Excel and VBA. Okay, what are the benefits of to making the career in Excel and VBA? So firstly, it is a high demand for automation. Okay, business are increasingly looking for ways to automate tasks and improve efficiency. Excel and VBA provides an accessible automation solution without the need for expensive software development. So, which means, for example, that you're working, okay, as a data entry operator, and you simultaneously you are also learning Excel and VBA from somewhere, okay, and you are just making your manual work, okay, manual work automated through macros, through dynamic function in Excel, which are really reducing your workload. Okay, so these, and without paying anything, the things that it requires, that you need to learn the skill set of Excel and VBA, how we can use it, okay, in as per the requirement. All right, so first and the secondly, it is the versatile skill set. Excel and VBA are the versatile skill applicable across a wide range of industry, including finance, marketing, operation, HR, and IT. See, Excel and VBA are the most common skill set that if you have learned, so you can make your career, you can go in any department, you can go in the operation, you can go in the finance department, you can go in the marketing department, you can go in the operation department, you can go in the HR department. So this is a very very common skill set. If you have a very very good, if you're a versatile, if you have a very good proficient, I mean, if you guys are very very much proficient in this particular skill set, which is Excel and VBA, so you can make your career anywhere, okay, in any industry, because these are the things. Excel is the most common thing which is being used by every department. Okay, so every department needs a one expert person, in their department, so who can handle work, who can automate the task, right? So secondly, it's a high earning potential. Roles requiring advanced Excel and VBA skill, especially in the finance and data analysis, are often well compensated. Automation and data reporting are highly valued by employer. Okay, so it is obviously that if you have a very good skill set, that you can earn a money, very good money, that you can earn in this particular field. And career and growth opportunity. Mastering Excel and VBA opens doors to advanced roles such as data scientist, financial controller, or even moving into IT and software development. VBA is often a stepping stone to learning more advanced programming language like a Python or SQL. Okay, see, VBA is the visual basic for an application, which means this is the application based language. See, there are three types of language: low level programming language, application based programming language, and high level of programming language. So VBA is the application based programming language. Okay, in the Excel, it VBA is associated with it itself. Okay, so VBA is the, VBA you can learn without installing any tool. You should have only Excel. Okay, in one particular tool, in one particular product, which is Excel, in the Excel that you can learn MIS plus VBA. Okay, so you guys can learn. Okay, and the career growth, as far as about the career growth, it has really, if you are an expert in any field, that you guys can make your career very bright into that particular, in that particular field. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. So here we will understand what is Excel and what is VBA. So what is Excel and VBA? Excel is a spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft that allows user to organize, format, and calculate the data using formulas. It supports a feature like a pivot table, charting, visual data representation to help analyze and manage the large amount of data. So Excel is it is a spreadsheet. Okay, it is a spreadsheet which is developed by the Microsoft, and we can manage our data in Excel. Okay, we can prepare our report, okay, in the Excel using so many function and formulas, and the features such as pivot table, power query, and so on. Okay, and what about the VBA? VBA is the application based programming language, which I have already told you. And VBA full form is Visual Basic for an application, okay, which is the programming language, okay, embedded within Excel. Okay, and other office application that allows a user to automate repetitive tasks, create a custom function, and build a complete application within Excel. VBA extends Excel functionality and enables the development of a custom solution, okay, tailored to user needs. See, VBA, for example, that we have a VLOOKUP in Excel, okay, and apart from that, sometimes what happen, we have a very weird requirement, okay, which we need to fulfill for the business, right? So in those cases, in those scenarios, we can also create a custom function, okay, as per the requirement through VBA programming language, right? So VBA actually can help you to to make yourself so pro in the data analysis, in terms of automation, in terms of other things as well. So you will be the champ in your department if you have a very good, you know very good, understanding, or proficiency in particular field. All right. So key feature of a Excel. See, key feature of a Excel, here you guys can see worksheet, formulas, formulas and function, data tools, chart, and pivot tables, and basic Excel skills. You guys can see working with the cells, rows, column, and range. So in the Excel you guys can learn, you in the Excel there are a lot of things, right? Once you will start to learn, you guys will understand, okay? So worksheet, formulas, function, data tools like a sorting, filtering, validation, conditional formatting, okay. In the For example, if somebody is saying you that, okay, what all you will learn, so you guys will be learning this about the worksheet, formulas, and function. You will be learning like a sum, VLOOKUP, index match, if, and advanced formulas for the dynamic calculation, and data tools about that sorting, filtering, data validation, conditional formatting, charts, creating various type of charts for a data visualization like a bar chart, pie chart, line chart, and etc, right? Pivot table summarizing. See, you guys will definitely learn once you will start to learning, okay. So pivot tables is also very important aspects in the MIS, which can really help you to make the report and to summarize the data, okay. Let's move to the next slide. So here, why should we learn VBA and Excel? See, VBA we should learn because the automation, we can make our tasks so automated through VBA programming language, which is a visual basic for an application. Automation, automative repetitive tasks to save time and improve accuracy. For example, that on a daily basis you are receiving more than 10 files in Excel in the same format, and you need to append those 10 files and make one particular files, right? Okay, under one, I mean, just you are appending all those files, okay, one by one, right? That you can, and that is almost taking your 30 minutes in a day, right? And if what you can do is that you can write a small VBA code which really can help, just you need to run on a daily basis, which will help you to collect your all the data, and will make it the one master file, right? And that will be taking hardly 1 and 2 minutes, okay, almost 28 minutes it will save. So these are the benefits of VBA that you should learn it. Custom solution, create complex report and dashboard or utilities beyond Excel and native features. Inter-application communication, interact with other Office application like Outlook, Word, and PowerPoint. For example, that you're also working on the Word and on the in the Word, basically in the Microsoft Word document, that you're preparing one letter on a daily basis, and you need almost 20 plus letters that you are preparing on a daily basis, and you want, and almost it is taking 2 and 3 hours on a daily basis. What you can do, VB also help us to integrate our, integrate a different application, I mean the Microsoft application like a Outlook, Word, PowerPoint. So basically Excel also can integrate through the VBA. For example, that you have a data in the Excel, and those Excel data you need to reflect, okay, you need to update in the Word. That can be possible, okay, that can be automated through the VBA programming language. These are the benefits, of the VBA. This is why that you should learn, okay. This is why you should learn. Why learn Excel? Why should we learn Excel? See, Excel, without Excel you can't learn VBA. Very important thing. First you should start from the Excel. So the basic understanding, you can learn basic, uh, data management things, okay, in the Excel, how to work on a data from the scratch to advance. And the data management we guys can learn by creating a complex reports, dashboard, or utilities beyond Excel native features. Okay, bright future. If someone want to make their career in the data analytics, Excel or MIS will be the best thing to enter in this world. See, you know, if you guys are preparing to entering in the data analytics field, so you guys should learn, okay, first Excel, which also known as a MIS, okay, the management information system. You should learn Excel, then you should move ahead for the VBA once you have a expertise into the Excel. All right, so let's move to the next slide. So here you guys can see I have, you know, bifurcated here VBA. So here one thing which is very common, people knows the macro and VBA. So it has a both has a different, both, you know, there isn't a little difference between a macro and VBA. So macro is the recorded sequence of action or steps in Excel designed to automate the repetitive task without needing to write a code. It is often recorded through the Excel macro. Basically, macro basically merge and correlate recorded output. Basically, we record the steps. We do not write. We do not do any manual amendments into it. Okay. But Visual Basic for an application, it allow us to manual. It allow us to write them manually as well to automate our task, build a custom function, and create a complex application. VBA can be used to create a macros, but also offers more advanced functionality beyond basic automation. So see guys, the macro is the recorded output, and in the VBA we can write our custom code as well to achieve our custom requirement can be anything, right? So if see as per the requirement we need to write the code, that only we can do through the VBA, not through the macro. Macro only can record our steps. Simple. Okay, so now and one more thing guys, that I also will drop my WhatsApp group, okay, in the description box. From there you guys can join a group, okay, to have a, if you guys want to connect with us. All right, so let's move to the next slide. So here these are the common themes that which I have written, that what all that you will learn in Excel and VBA. In Excel you guys can see the introduction of Excel, working with the worksheet, formulas and function, basic arithmetic operation like a sum, average, minimum, maximum, extra, right? And text function you guys can learn, left, right, mid, concatenate. These are the common function name that which I have written. These are the things that you will be learning in Excel, okay, or in MIS, okay, if you will start learning it. Basic VBA topics like introduction of a VBA, macro recording, okay, writing your first VBA macro, variable and data types, working with a range, loops, if condition, error handling, events, user form, okay, custom function, okay, integration with the other application as well, that how we can do all these things we will be learning in a VBA, okay, we can learn in VBA. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Here, a career in Excel and VBA can be very rewarding, especially if you are skilled in data analysis. See, data analysis, automation, and business process optimization. If you have a very good understanding about the business and you also very skillful in the Excel and VBA, so you guys can earn so much money. And apart from that, that you will also have a different visibility in your organization. Excel and VB are widely used across industry for improving productivity, managing large data set, and automating repetitive tasks. Here is an overview of a career opportunity and pathways for professional with the expertise in Excel and VBA. See, below are the following job profile you may get after learning Excel and VBA. Okay, so once you are very skillful in Excel and VB, you guys can have these, you know, you guys can have these profiles in the market. You can be data analyst, you can be MIS executive, you can be finance analyst, you can be the VB developer if you have learned the VBA, okay, and automation specialist, business analyst, and operation analyst, right? People says that, you know, my designation is a finance analyst. Designation can be different, okay, as per the requirement or as per the requirement of the business, right? Because each organization has their own profile, okay, internal profile, okay, and there is another two profile which is called internal and external. For example, that if you're assistant manager, okay, in your organization, so it will be the public, okay, it will be the social title, okay, which you will have, which you guys can see in your payslip, okay, and internal profile can be different, okay. So these are the things that these are the profile that you can have in the market, okay, after learning Excel and VBA. And let's move to the next slide. Conclusion: the mastering Excel and VBA can lead to diverse career opportunity in data analysis, business intelligence, finance, modeling, and automation. These skills are highly transferable across industry, making them valuable asset for anyone looking to optimize business process for build a career in the data management. So conclusion is basically that if you are so proficient in Excel and VBA, you can have a very good career. Okay, you guys can go in any department, you can learn and you can earn as much as you want, as much not I would say, but yes, Okay, you can learn a very good amount. Okay, so I think it is over. So I hope guys that you are aware, and I will also attach this PPT in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your understanding. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.